your receipt, please. I don't know. We've just been driving west. It's probably time to dial this in a little bit to where we're actually trying to go. Voice of Ain, Manitoba.
All right, I'm setting your destination to Voice of Ain.
We know that ICF is becoming more and more commonly known, especially in our market here. An ICF basement is not as misunderstood as it once was, but why go all the way up to the top of the gables?
I think the important thing, Jay, is to design a house around the people that are going to live in it. We knock out spec homes right now that are standard 2x6, 16 on center with our OSB and poly on the inside, and it's something that we've been building the same way since the 70s. So yes, we are building above code here, but current code, in my opinion, is not adequate to hold an investment. Like if you're building a house and you're putting your money into this house and you want it to be an investment or an asset for you, current codes just aren't going to keep that house's value over time compared to what we are now. The idea is that we're getting to net zero ready homes required by code in 2030, and that's going to be a huge step for people. We're nowhere near building a net zero ready home. And what I mean by net zero ready is a house that can have a minimal amount of solar panels or renewable energies on site. Not necessarily that we're just going to slap up, a 20 gigawatt solar system and to power a house with our current demand, but we're going to lower the demand for our energy use so that it's feasible to put a small system in to replace the energy of that.
Right. We're going to have to change really the expectation of what a house is. And